What does it take to modernize a continuous strip processing line for the future? Experience, engineering expertise, commitment, and, as it turns out, a lot of coffee. For this major modernization project at Thyssenkrupp Rasselstein's VA10 strip galvanizing line, Kern Industrie Automation assembled a team of 83 assembly workers, programmers, and engineers. The project required 19 months of detailed engineering and preparation, followed by an intensive 8-week shutdown to remove the existing equipment, install the new systems, and return the line to production. When every day of downtime matters, disciplined execution makes all the difference. During the shutdown, the team installed more than 58 miles of new cable, nearly the distance from Miami International Airport to the Florida Keys. The modernization also included 135 newly manufactured control cabinets supporting both AC and DC drive systems. Nearly 100 tons of automation equipment, delivered on 6 tractor trailers, formed the backbone of the new electrical infrastructure. At the heart of the new automation platform are 8 Siemens Simatic S7 1500F safety controllers, integrated with 12 distributed remote I/O stations. Operators now manage the process through 35 new HMI operator panels and 3 centralized control rooms equipped with 70 displays, providing complete visibility across the production process. The communications infrastructure was completely redesigned. 6 new network cabinets support the plant-wide industrial Ethernet architecture. A new IBA PDA process data acquisition system, together with IBA Capture, provides comprehensive process monitoring and diagnostics. 30 new cameras further enhance operational awareness and process visibility. The modernization also included a completely new strip tracking system, replacement of legacy 48-volt DC and 230-volt AC instrumentation, modernization of the low-voltage distribution systems serving 10 power transformers, installation of 38 new rotary encoders, conversion of 40 DC motors to modern AC drive technology. Projects of this scale also generate an enormous amount of engineering documentation. More than 8,700 A3 electrical drawings and schematics were produced. Enough documentation to make any printer question its purpose in life. Okay, but projects like this are powered by more than engineering. They run on teamwork. 334 gallons of coffee, 2 pallets of cookies and comfort food, nearly 130 square feet of pizza, almost 1,080 pounds of pasta and snacks. The result? A fully modernized strip processing line, delivered through exceptional planning, precise execution, and outstanding teamwork. Kern Industrie Automation, modernizing complex process lines, delivering brownfield automation projects with minimal downtime, built to perform.